Welcome to Chapter 2, Artificial Intelligence and its Applications. In this video, we will explore how AI is being used to protect our planet. Our journey covers three main areas: the invisible ways AI shapes our daily lives, the global threat of plastic pollution, and how digital solutions are helping to combat environmental damage. AI isn't just about robots. It's an invisible intelligence working behind the scenes. From voice recognition on your phone to filtering spam in your inbox, AI optimizes systems to make our digital world faster and smarter. AI is now a pillar of progress, applied across environment, automation, healthcare, and education. It has evolved into a powerful tool for solving complex, large-scale societal challenges. We face 5 major environmental threats: plastic pollution, air degradation, waste management failures, wildlife loss, and soil erosion. AI helps us track and measure these issues, which is the first step towards solving them. The plastic crisis is severe. In India, a significant amount of plastic waste ends up in our rivers and oceans, breaking down into microplastics that infiltrate the food chain and eventually return to our plates. To combat this, we use AI in space. Satellites capture massive amounts of imagery, and machine learning algorithms scan for plastic in the oceans, allowing authorities to deploy cleanup crews to exact locations. In Himachal Pradesh, AI proved its worth in 2023. By analyzing satellite imagery of rugged, inaccessible terrain, the system successfully identified 70 hidden plastic dumps, enabling targeted removal. Air quality is another silent threat. Pollution from factories, vehicles, and stubble burning affects respiratory health, weakens immune systems, and even impairs cognitive focus in students. AI predictive engines now forecast pollution levels by fusing data from monitoring stations and weather patterns. This allows schools, hospitals, and traffic authorities to take proactive, life-saving measures. We have evolved from the reactive air monitoring systems of 2017 to modern, AI-powered apps. These tools provide real-time, hyperlocal health advisories, empowering citizens to make safer choices for their daily commute. The landfill crisis is often caused by mixing organic and recyclable waste at the household level. This contamination destroys the value of materials and leads to toxic groundwater pollution. In Pune, smart infrastructure is changing this. Using sensor-equipped bins and a citizen reporting app, the city can optimize garbage collection routes and dispatch cleaning teams automatically to address illegal dumping. Automation is also transforming waste processing. Industrial robots in indoor sort waste with high efficiency, while mobile apps use image recognition to teach everyday users how to properly recycle items at home. Finally, AI is essential for wildlife conservation. It helps us address threats like poaching and habitat loss, providing critical data to reduce human-wildlife conflict as our settlements continue to expand. In this video, we examine how AI protects wildlife and habitats. The Forest Survey of India utilizes AI to analyze satellite imagery, detecting subtle changes in forests to identify deforestation. Simultaneously, TrailGuard AI cameras in tiger reserves instantly notify officials of poachers or wildlife threats. Agriculture faces a severe soil crisis. Unsustainable farming and pollution degrade the earth, threatening global food security. Furthermore, poor soil management, such as stubble burning, creates an interconnected cycle that significantly worsens urban air pollution. Precision agriculture is using AI to restore soil health. Platforms like Parad Vistar provide farmers with localized expert advice. Additionally, the Pocket Agronomist app uses image recognition to diagnose crop diseases, offering real-time solutions to save harvests. India is tackling a massive healthcare challenge, serving over 1.3 billion people with uneven resource distribution. The rural-urban divide is stark, but AI acts as a bridge, enabling faster diagnostics and remote monitoring to democratize healthcare access. A major diagnostic bottleneck exists due to a shortage of radiologists, especially in rural areas. This leads to long wait times for critical reports, negatively impacting survival rates for conditions like tuberculosis and cancer. Improving access to medical imaging is a national priority. The landscape of AI applications continues to grow, and we will now look at how these technologies are being deployed in other essential sectors of society. As we continue to integrate AI, the focus remains on scalability and ethical implementation to ensure that these advancements benefit all communities effectively. Data security and privacy are paramount when deploying these AI platforms at a national scale to protect user information and maintain public trust. Collaboration between government agencies, private tech developers, and local communities is the key to successfully launching and maintaining these digital tools.
Support in your pocket. The Suman Saki Initiative, a breakthrough initiative launched by the Madhya Pradesh government, provides 24/7 reliable health information for women.
AI and intelligent automation. Have you ever noticed how many everyday routine tasks around us are accomplished fast and effectively with little human effort? This is only achievable with the inclusion of AI in automation. Earlier, washing machines required manual adjustments for wash duration, water level, and cycle type, depending on the clothes. Nowadays, AI-powered washing machines can automatically determine the load, fabric type, and dirt level. Smart transportation. Anyone who has traveled in an Indian city knows about traffic congestion. The hours wasted in traffic jams could have been spent studying, playing, or spending time with family. Moreover, traffic congestion contributes significantly to air pollution. Did you ever think how traffic can be managed more efficiently in busy cities? Smart transportation uses advanced technologies to improve traffic flow, reduce congestion, and enhance road safety. By analyzing real-time data from sensors, cameras, and GPS systems, transportation systems can make better decisions and respond quickly to changing conditions. How AI helps. AI plays a significant role in making transportation systems smarter and more efficient. It can analyze traffic patterns using data from cameras, sensors, and GPS devices. This information helps in several ways. An AI-based traffic signal system can be developed instead of a time-based traffic signal system. In cities like Delhi and Bengaluru, AI has already been introduced in traffic signal systems, where signal timing adjusts based on real-time traffic conditions. AI-powered cameras are already installed in many cities that automatically detect traffic violations, such as speeding and not wearing a helmet, and issue fines accordingly. Nowadays, navigation apps analyze the traffic data and suggest routes that avoid traffic jams. AI in agriculture. In India, agriculture is labor-intensive and dependent on weather conditions. The farmers depended on manual observation and expertise to determine when to irrigate crops, apply fertilizer, and manage pests. Irrigation was frequently done at predetermined intervals, without regard for soil moisture levels, overwatering, or shortage of watering. It affects and sometimes destroys crops. In many cases, farmers could not identify the problems in crops early and delayed taking the necessary action. Have you ever wondered how farming can be done more efficiently with less effort? AI in agriculture is enabling automation of many farming activities, reducing manual work and improving productivity. Tasks such as irrigation, sowing, spraying fertilizers, and harvesting can now be automated using smart machines and data-driven systems. AI empowers farmers with information and insights. Weather predictions help farmers decide when to plant and harvest. In India, the India Meteorological Department, IMD, provides weather forecasts and agro-meteorological advisories to farmers. Using these predictions, farmers can decide the best time for sowing, irrigation, and harvesting. Soil analysis helps optimize fertilizer and water use. In India, under the Soil Health Card scheme, the government tests soil samples and provides farmers with detailed reports on soil nutrients. Pest detection systems identify problems before they destroy crops. In India, platforms like National Agriculture Market, ENAM, and apps such as Kisan Suvidha help farmers identify pest and disease issues by analyzing crop images. Farmers can upload photos of affected crops, and the system suggests possible problems and solutions, enabling early action to prevent crop loss. AI in smart homes. Have you ever wondered how homes can become smarter and more convenient to live in? AI in smart homes is making this possible by automating everyday tasks and improving comfort, security, and energy efficiency. Devices such as smart lights, thermostats, security cameras, and voice assistants can learn user preferences and adjust settings automatically. In India, the traditional education system often relies on classroom teaching, manual assessments, and fixed schedules. Teachers have to manage large class sizes, making it difficult to give individual attention to every student. Assessments are usually checked manually, which can be time-consuming and may delay feedback. In many cases, students have to wait for days or even weeks to understand their mistakes and improve their performance. AI in modern education is transforming the way students learn and teachers teach. Tools such as automated assessment systems and virtual classrooms are making education more flexible and effective. How AI helps. Automated assessment systems. AI can evaluate assignments, quizzes, and exams quickly and provide instant feedback. In India, platforms like Diksha and government digital education initiatives use automated systems to assess student performance and help teachers track progress efficiently. Virtual classrooms. AI enables online learning, where students and teachers can interact in real time from different locations. In India, platforms like Swayam and government-supported virtual learning programs allow students to attend classes, access study materials, and learn without the need to be physically present in a classroom. You don't need to be a computer programmer to build AI models. No-code AI tools allow anyone to create AI applications by simply providing examples. These tools use simple graphical interfaces, where you upload data and train models with a few clicks. Popular no-code AI platforms: Teachable Machine, teachablemachine.google.com, Machine Learning for Kids, machinelearningforkids.co.uk. Hands-on Activity 1. Waste Classification Model. Problem: create an AI model that can identify 3 types of waste: plastic, paper, organic waste, food scraps, leaves, etc. Steps to follow. 1. Collect images. Take 20 to 30 photos of plastic items: bottles, bags, containers. Take 20 to 30 photos of paper items: newspapers, notebooks, cardboard. Take 20 to 30 photos of organic waste: fruit peels, vegetable scraps, dry leaves. Try to vary the background and lighting in your photos. Steps to follow. 1. Collect images. Open Teachable Machine and start a new image project. Create 3 classes: plastic, paper, and organic. Upload your images to the appropriate classes. 3. Train the model. Click the Train Model button and wait 30 to 60 seconds. Your model is now learning to recognize different waste types. 4. Test your model. Find new waste items that your model hasn't seen before. Use your webcam or upload photos to see what your model predicts. Note whether it correctly identifies each type. What to observe. Which waste type does your model identify most accurately? Does it confuse any categories? For example, does it mistake shiny plastic for paper? What happens when you show it something that doesn't fit any category? Hands-on Activity 2. Voice Command Recognition. Problem: create an AI model that recognizes 3 voice commands: start, stop, help. Steps to follow. 1. Set up your project. In Teachable Machine, start an audio project. Create 3 classes: start, stop, and help. Add a 4th class called background noise. 2. Record training samples. Page 57. For each command, record yourself saying it 15 to 20 times. Vary your voice. Say it loudly, softly, quickly, and slowly. For background noise, record 20 seconds of silence and room sounds. 3. Train the model. Click Train Model. This takes a bit longer for audio. Wait for training to complete. 4. Test your model. Speak each command clearly into your microphone. See if your model correctly identifies each command. Ask family members to test it with their voices. What to observe. Does your model work for voices other than yours? Does background noise affect accuracy? Are similar-sounding words ever confused?
There is much more to learn as AI continues to evolve. Keep observing, questioning, and finding ways to integrate these tools into your own efforts.
Points to remember. AI helps solve real-world problems in healthcare, education, environment, and daily life. In environmental protection, AI helps monitor pollution, manage waste, track wildlife, and improve soil health. In healthcare, AI assists with medical imaging, predicts health risks, powers virtual assistants, and enables remote patient monitoring. In automation, AI improves transportation, agriculture, and home management. In education, AI enables personalized learning, smart tutoring, and accessible virtual classrooms. No-code AI tools allow anyone to build and train AI models without programming knowledge.
This concludes our presentation. We invite you to stay curious and continue supporting efforts toward a greener, smarter, and more equitable world. Share, like, and comment, and also subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.